Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make your Instagram story public so you can get more engaging people. Firstly, you gotta make sure that your Instagram account is public. Go to the settings and privacy, then find account privacy. If it says public, your account is already public, and if it don't, you need to change it. Now, to post a story publicly, tap the create icon at the top right corner of your profile page. Then in the pop-up, choose Story. Pick a photo or video from your gallery or use the camera to capture one in real time. Then tap the arrow icon in the bottom right. Just ensure that your story is selected, then tap Share to post your story. By making your Instagram account public, you ensure all new stories are visible for everyone. Happy sharing, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and tips like this.